Hey, welcome back to The Explainer. Today we are tackling one of the most important questions for any new business idea. Who are you actually trying to help? It's time to figure out exactly who your future customers are. So let's get into it and crack the case of your perfect customer.
Okay, so you've got it, right? That brilliant, amazing idea that just keeps you up at night. Maybe it's a cool new gadget or an incredible service or just something creative that you know only you can make. It just feels like a winner, doesn't it?
But here's the thing. That's the big mystery. I mean, having a great idea is one thing, but knowing who's going to line up to buy it, that is a whole other puzzle. This is what I like to call the case of the missing customer.
Now, don't worry because every great mystery has a solution. And the key to this one? It's all about finding your superfans. I'm talking about the people who aren't just customers, but who will absolutely 100% love what you're doing.
You know, this group of superfans actually has a name. It's your target market. And here's the big secret. The goal isn't trying to sell to every single person on the planet. It's about focusing on the specific group of people who need what you have the most. I just love this way of thinking about it. You're not just looking for any random customer. You are on a quest to find your biggest supporters. And honestly, it makes your job so much easier because you get to create something for people you know are going to appreciate it. Okay, let's make this super real for a second. If you're making these awesome custom bookmarks, are you going to try to sell them to people who only watch movies? No way. You're going to focus on kids who just devour books, or maybe even teachers who are looking for cool classroom rewards. It's all about connecting the right product with the right people. All right, so how do we actually find these superfans? Well, it's time to put on your detective hat. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to gather all the clues you can by asking some really important questions. So think of this as your official detective's handbook. First up, how old are they? This helps you figure out what generation you're even talking to. Step 2, what do they like? This tells you what they actually care about. Step 3, where do they live? Are they in a big city or a small town? And finally, you've got the big one, the most important clue of all. What problems can you solve for them? Because really, every great product is a solution to something. All right, your turn. Let's put these new detective skills to the test. Just imagine, you're baking the absolute best dog treats in the world. Who's your target market? Now, the easy answer is just dog owners, right? But come on, we can do way better than that. We can get so much more specific. I mean, think about it. Are your treats these tiny little things, perfect for a Chihuahua? Or are they huge, made for a Great Dane? Or hey, maybe they're made with special ingredients for dogs that have really sensitive stomachs. Or maybe you deliver, which would be perfect for busy parents or elderly folks who have trouble getting out. You see, every single one of those answers points to a completely different customer. And this, right here, is the big takeaway. Specificity is your superpower. The more you can narrow it all down, the clearer your entire mission becomes. You'll know exactly what your customers are looking for, how to talk to them, and how to create something they absolutely cannot resist. So, okay, let's talk about the payoff here. Why does all this detective work matter so much? Well, it's because cracking this case, that's really what separates a cool idea from an actual successful business. You know, when you really know your target market, you just stop wasting all that time and energy trying to be everything to everyone. You can focus your efforts, you can get to know your specific customers on a much deeper level, and you can build the exact thing they're looking for. It's really about working smarter, not harder. And all of this really boils down to one single super important rule. Seriously, if you only remember one thing from all of this, make it this. In a world that is just full of noise, focusing on one specific group of superfans is the #1 way to make an impact and to succeed. So there you have it. The mystery is solved. You now have the tools to go find your customer. The only question left, and honestly, it's the most exciting one, is this. Now that you know exactly who you're helping, what amazing thing are you going to build just for them?